Mr. Maqsood Buttar, Sardar Abdul Razik, Mr. Amir Ajam Malik, Presidents of High Court Bar Associations of Lahore and benches, Mr. Amjad Khan, Vice Chairman Punjab Bar Council, members of the bar, distinguished guests. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu Alaikum. Allah Almighty instructs in Quran. Indeed, Allah commands you to render trust to whom they are due, and when you judge between people, to judge with justice. Excellent is that which Allah instructs you. Indeed, Allah is ever hearing and seeing. To achieve the objective of creating a society based upon justice, equality and freedom in accordance with the commands of Allah Almighty, it enjoins upon all of us to make it a duty to strive hard for the establishment of rule of law by firmly upholding the belief in Almighty Allah, which compels a man to do justice, which becomes a basis for the establishment of a just and equitable order, free from all evils, pressures. And the paramount importance of the role of a judge in this context is evident from the saying of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, which reads, "An hour spent in administration of justice is more valuable than 60 years spent in non-compulsory prayers." Accordingly, to judge about right between the people is one of the most important obligations after believing in Allah, and best of worships after compulsory prayers. The administration of justice means to apply to the facts of the case the secret principle of justice without any other material consideration view. The fear of Allah thus from fundamental basis and rule in the administration of justice, and as such, when directed and inspired by this principle, a judge never gives a ruling according to his own personal likes and dislikes or whims, or influenced by the government and the political consideration. Likewise, for the independence of judiciary and sustaining of a complete democratic system, the perpetual establishment of an order based on the rule of law, the government should by any conscious overt act or gesture not make the slightest effect in the influencing or pressurizing the honorable courts in the administration of justice. Today, when Honorable Chief Justice Punjab is laying his robes, it has really been an honor and privilege for me to stand here in this historical moment and pay homage to the first ever Chief Justice of Lahore High Court from Multan. Besides being President High Court Bar Association Multan, representing legal fraternity of South Punjab, it is my responsibility to let you know about the outstanding and remarkable career of Honorable Chief Justice Muhammad Qasim Khan. First, as a student, then as a lawyer, an honorable judge, as well as the Honorable Chief Justice of Lahore High Court. Justice Muhammad Qasim Khan was born on 6th of July 1959 in a noble family at Multan. He did his matriculation from famous educational institute, Government Comprehensive High School, Multan, completed his graduation from Multan, and LLB degree was obtained from Gilani Law College. Being not a baby born with golden spoon, he strived hard to prove his existence right from his educational career. As student representative, being elected as General Secretary of Students' Union of Gilani Law College, Multan, he worked for the betterment of society and for the rights of people. After completion of his studies, he started practicing law in the courts in Multan and joined Chamber of renowned lawyer, firstly Qamar Akhtar Ali late, and then Chaudhry Fakir Muhammad, a living legend of our bar. Being an advocate, he was very kind, responsible and dignified professional lawyer. He contested the election in the year 1997 and elected as General Secretary, District Bar Association Multan. His 9-year span as law officer postulates that he represented the provincial government in very important cases successfully. Being a lawyer and a law officer, while conducting cases, his portrait has full command over the law and facts of the case. His humble and devoted attitude towards law and justice opened new horizons of opportunity for him. In February 2010, he was elevated as Judge of High Court. After elevations, he has given remarkable judgments on different core issues. Bilal Akbar Bhatti's case set a new discipline in election matters with respect to the filing of constitutional petitions in High Court against the interim orders of election tribunals. Moreover, he closed the doors of continuous harassment by barring the exercise of Section 22A CRPC in the cases covered by the Financial Institution Recovery of Finance Ordinance 2001. During the pandemic, when the other institutions of public service settled, due to his dynamic leadership, this institution carried on the secret task of dispensation of justice. He also took steps by providing funds for all the bar councils from Government of Punjab. While considering it as a matter of prime importance after taking oath, the Honorable Chief Justice also worked for the betterment, extension and construction of judicial complexes and allied purposes, that is, to provide facilities to the litigants in different districts of Punjab. As member of Multan Bar, basically, he was aware of the problems of District Bar and High Court Bar Association Multan. Hence, he took historical steps by extending the district courts complex in the form of approval of construction of multi-story building complex and also obtained buildings of Provincial Highway Department for Lahore High Court, which is adjacent to the bar and the Multan bench. Ladies and gentlemen, by concluding my speech, I am mindful of the fact that journey of judge is not a bed of roses. His Lordship overcome all those hurdles and difficulties because the upbringing by his parents and the guidelines by his teachers, seniors, and the firm belief on Almighty Allah. After culminating his part as a judge, he is retrieving towards his base camp. We welcome him in the bar, sir. Thank you very much.